Who's the highest ranking officer here?
Me.
What are you? Are you sergeant?
Nope.
Are you a lieutenant?
Nope.
You're an officer?
Yep.
Can I please speak to your sergeant?
No.
So I'm allowed to, during business hours, have access to any
Not right
paperwork?
now, no. So you have to leave. So
I don't have to. Please do not touch me.
We're going to leave.
Please do not touch me.
Leave.
Please do not put your hands on me.
If you're wondering why we have so many problems in this country, look no further, we have some answers for you. Welcome back to Audit the Law. If you're looking for answers in mainstream media, television, Hollywood, local news, and the same old headlines, you're only going to feel angry and confused. But we can help guide you in the right direction. You need to feel empowered. You're tired of everyone being in a bad mood, treating you like you're a nobody. Those days are over. You're about to feel recharged after we put this pep in your step. Did you know that you were born with natural rights? Many countries don't recognize this, but in America, the founding fathers knew how important it was for we, the people, to keep those natural rights intact forever. Government is on a power trip, always looking for ways to trample on our rights. We have to keep reminding our government they've gone too far. They're habitual fucking line steppers. You're going to see that in this video. The public servants want to become the masters. They force them out of the building. They've gone rogue. There's many reasons why people need to go inside City Hall to handle business. Some city halls have sister city displays that are always open to the public. Now some city halls are trying to restrict photography and also violate the Fourth Amendment by demanding ID. When you watch these videos and learn from them, you'll get empowered. Wait till the end of the video for some empowerment tips. Let's get right to it.
All right, so again, was that on the calendar? You just said it was on the calendar. It's not on the calendar now, is it?
It's not on that calendar.
Okay, what calendar is it on?
It'll be on the staff's calendar.
Okay. So can you please direct me to the staff? I will go with you to the staff's calendar. I would like to see the staff calendar.
I don't have to do that.
Yes, you do. 91A.
Upstairs.
Let's go to the staff's calendar.
Yeah. All right. Thanks.
Who's that? Can we go to the staff's calendar? I would like you to show me. I will go with you. I'm not going in there.
Let's go.
Let's go. Lead me the way. Where's the staff calendar?
Go downstairs.
Where's the staff calendar?
Let's go downstairs.
Where's the staff calendar? Where can I see?
Many places.
Okay, so where can I?
But I don't have to show it to you. I'm not showing it.
91A. You're saying that you have the staff calendar. 91A says that I can have the staff's calendar.
You can file a right to know for that.
I don't have to file on that. Right? Is it business hours? Between business hours right now, 91A. Where's the ombudsman? Where's the ombudsman? Do you know where the ombudsman is? Is the ombudsman in this office? Do you know what an ombudsman is? So the ombudsman handles the 91A request if the city is negligent. I'm asking for a staff calendar that you're saying right now exists, a staff calendar, right? So that I can see that it's on the schedule that you said that it's on. You're telling me that I'm not supposed to be here for no reason. Hello. How you doing? So, can you show me where the staff calendar is? Please? How's it going? This gentleman won't let me in there, and he won't tell me why he won't let me in. He removed me out of it.
I explained it to you 100 times.
So you know you're being audio and video recorded?
Yep, you are too.
Yeah, excellent.
I've seen your outlet.
So it's been explained to you 100 times. This is a private class. You're not registered for the class. You're not part of the class. You were in the class.
Right, because the doors were open.
Yep. So now I've explained to you that it is a private class. I closed the doors and removed you.
But you're not explaining to me who told me to get out of there.
Who?
Okay.
Or why? Other than you're not part of the class.
Officer, I simply asked that he tells me where the information is.
He doesn't have to, and they want you to leave, so.
And this right here is what's wrong with government. This cop just said this public servant doesn't have to do his job, and as a matter of fact, he wants the free people to leave the building they pay taxes for. What kind of twisted logic is this? This country and its political parasites have no reason to talk about other countries when ours is upside down. And if you think this is something new, think again. We're now only beginning to see the patterns of how this country has become destroyed from the inside out.
I know, but this is public.
Then we'll talk to it outside.
Hey! Oh, I don't have my glasses. I'm sorry. I thought you were wailing for a second. Listen.
No, listen, let's go outside.
I don't have to go outside.
Yeah, you do. Because
For why?
they want you to leave.
I know, I don't want to leave.
Well, you have to leave.
I don't have to. Why?
Yeah, you do.
For why?
I'm telling you, they don't want you here.
Are you
have to
okay?
leave.
Did you suspect me of a crime?
Doesn't matter. They don't want you in here.
Okay.
So you can leave and come back another day. But right now, you have to leave.
Okay.
You've conducted your business. There's nothing more.
No, I'm trying to get a 91A request and ask you where the ombudsman is, or where I can find out where the calendar is that you said that this is on the calendar and it's a
I need to
private.
show that to you.
Yes, you do.
No, it
Article 8 of the New Hampshire Constitution,
I mean, we
91A, 91A, right? So I'm allowed to, during business hours, have access to any
Not right
paperwork.
now, no. So you have to leave. So
I don't have to. Please do not touch me.
We're gonna leave.
Please do
We're
not
gonna
touch me.
leave.
Please do
Yes.
not put your hands on me.
We're gonna leave.
Am I under arrest?
No, but you will be if you don't leave. So let's
Okay,
go.
wait. Listen.
We're gonna talk outside.
Mr. Martin and Mrs. Martin, now what's going on here? You just put your hands on me.
I sure did.
What? Yeah.
sure did.
You did. Why? They said I've done no crime. Leave me alone, guys. Filing a complaint. So what crime did I commit? What crime did I commit?
Let's go.
Is this a lawful order? Am I under
Yes,
arrest?
lawful order. You're not under arrest. I'm asking you to leave.
So I don't have, I know, but I don't have to.
Yes, you do.
Why?
Because I'm telling you.
What is the statute? What is the statute? I came here for business. What would be the crime that if I don't follow your unlawful order? I don't want to. I don't want to. I want to get some water and I want to be left alone and I don't want to be harassed by the police. I answer no questions. I'm going to get water.
No, come on. Daddy, come on.
Don't touch me. I'm going to get water. Don't touch me.
You're not getting water. You're leaving.
I can get
You're
water.
leaving
Why?
the building.
Why?
You're leaving the building.
Why?
And that's it.
Why?
Bottom line.
Why?
I'm telling you to. You're
Why?
leaving the building.
Okay.
So let's go leave the building.
Please do not touch me. You guys are assholes.
Thank you.
Who's the sergeant? Who's the highest ranking officer here?
Me.
What are you? Are you
Are
you sergeant?
Nope.
You're a lieutenant?
Nope.
You're an officer.
Yep.
Can I please speak to your sergeant?
No.
Have your sergeant come out
Nope.
here.
Absolutely not. No.
Why?
I'm telling you. You can go to the station and talk to him. I'm not getting one down here.
Why?
Because I'm telling you, I'm not. Very simple.
Okay. So why am I not here? Why am I not
We're
allowed
done
here?
talking. They don't want you here.
Okay.
You're done. You conducted
So this
your
is
business.
this is the public.
You're-
No, I haven't.
Then we're
I
done.
would like to get
No,
the information
we're
for the
done.
calendar.
We're done.
You're preventing me from getting information during business hours?
Sure.
You're fucking.
This man was not allowed to conduct his business. He wasn't even allowed to drink the water from the faucet that his taxes paid for. The public servant didn't want to do his job and get this man the information he needed. The cops violated this man's rights by threatening him with arrest if he didn't leave the building. The female cop refused to get her supervisor when asked. Policy violation after policy violation. This man was refused service and was also forced to leave. How much clearer can it get that this government that is operating right now is not the government we, the people, want? Everything has become civil unrest and they want us to trade in our freedom for presumed safety. At the end of the day, if we give up our rights, we won't be safe either. We'll be left with nothing. We, the people, are now aware of how government is truly operating, and it's rogue. At least this man recorded this civil rights violation so the rest of us can see how our civil rights have eroded under an iron fist. This is why Hollywood has become a bore. Sports have no meaning. Celebrities are a distraction. Every city council meeting has little to no people in the seats, but yet every event on television has sold out arenas. Maybe it's we, the people, that are to blame. We've allowed our government to become rogue. With that being said, you can make a change in your life first. Record your business transactions with your government because if you didn't know, government is a business. Alright folks, that does it for today's video. Go subscribe to the original channel. See you on the next video if you subscribe to us and hit the bell.